Hi guys, hello and welcome to another Java tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about Java records. It is a new feature in Java, or relatively new feature in Java, that was added in Java 16. So in order for you to run these examples that I'm sharing with you, you have to make sure that you have at least Java 16 so that we can learn about how to create records. And before I show you how to check that, let me tell you why in the world do we need the Java records. When you need a class that is intended to hold unchanging data, a lot of standard tedious coding, for example, constructors, getters, they're not needed. It's a lot of work to just create a getter for every property, and you're only using the class for retrieving the data. So Java 16 and later versions include the record keyword, which can be used to declare a class that is meant to simply hold data, that is not meant to change. In other words, it's final and that does not have elaborate or complicated getter requirements. So when you create a record, you only code the field definitions and the rest of the details, Java codes it for you. So let me show you, first of all, how you can check to see and make sure that you have Java 16. You go into Properties, and then you go into your Java compiler, and that's where it will show you what version you have. So I have version 17, so it needs 16 or higher to be able to code, okay, the record. Now, in order to create a record, it's so simple. You right-click on your Java project, and you click on Record. And let me give my record a name. Let me call this one Person. Okay, no need to have a public static void main in this one. Just hit Finish. Okay, here you are, have your person record. All I need to do here is I'm saying that my person record, which basically will be created as a class, but this is a record class. I want two properties, ID and name. ID is of type integer, and string is and name is of type string, and that's it. I'm done. Yes, right, exactly. I'm done. It's funny, right? Now, let me create the class where I will demo the person so that you can see how you can use this. So in the demo person class, I may have a main method, and in the main method, I will create an object of person type. Notice it's not complaining. Even though I did not write the constructor there, right? But now it is complaining because the constructor requires the two parameters. And I only gave no parameters, right? So all I need to do is that 100 and let's say James. And the moment I do that, the errors disappear because now it's able to find the match. Now, if I want to retrieve these values out, so all I need to do is type person ID and p1 dot. Notice it automatically codes a function for me called ID to retrieve the ID, and person name. And I'll show you, just to show you, notice that it has a built function called main. So if you are creating a class simply to store some objects and retrieve them for whatever reason, you don't have to create a full-fledged class anymore. Now let me show you when I run this one. I have all these values. Awesome, isn't it? Let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about Java records? And I will show you some more cool stuff in Java in the next video. And if you have any questions about Java, let me know in the comment section below. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye-bye.